Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to download HappyMod on iOS, iPhone, and iPad. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. The processes are quite straightforward and easy. Begin by opening your settings. Selecting General. Scrolling down to this background app. And then refreshing to confirm that it is turned on. Upon completion, open any form of browser. Type happymod.com at the tab menu to access our official website. Once you're here, click on the download button. And you'll notice that the download has begun. Once you've downloaded it, open up your settings again and select General. Choose VPN and Device Management, where your configuration profile will be. Then all you have to do is select HappyMod. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.